At the beginning of the 1970s, two enthusiasts met in a small red barn in Nedrevatz. Their shared passion for technology led them to develop and expand their ideas together, which would come to revolutionize the way we use technology. Here lies the seed that would become RamBase. For as the business grew and no existing business system proved able to cope with the growth, there was only one thing to do: to build it themselves, to build RamBase. They started to develop something brand new. New hardware, new software, and the result is hidden deep within the mountain in Omsosen. The entrepreneurial spirit that stretches back to that crucial meeting between the two who dared to challenge and take a leap of faith 50 years ago isn't just the foundation RamBase is built upon, but still flows through every part of RamBase today and every employee. What started as a group of 5 innovative people in Vads is now an international system with customers on several continents and employees in numerous countries who work every day to carve the path less taken, to continue to develop, amplify, and disseminate RamBase. This is locally grown ERP with the whole world as its playground.